तुर्की के सफीर बराए हिंद फिरात सुनेल ने आज अपने दौरे हैदराबाद के मौके पर मखदूम ब्रदर्स का दौरा किया। वो पत्थरघट्टी में वाक़ मखदूम ब्रदर्स पहुंचे थे। मखदूम ब्रदर्स के मालिक ने तुर्की के सफीर का इस्तकबाल किया। इस मौके पर तुर्की के काउंसलर जनरल यलमान ओकान और दीगर भी इस मौके पर मौजूद थे। तुर्की के सफीर ने हैदराबादी गंगा जमनी तहजीब की सताइश की। इस मौके पर आबिद मोहिउद्दीन, हमीद मोहिउद्दीन, आरिफ खान, इमरान खान, वजीर खान भी मौजूद थे।
Hyderabad, my official visit to Telangana. I'm really received with warm welcome here. Thank you very much. We have historical relations with Hyderabad, and that's why I feel home. We visited very famous places here, like Charminar. We were just there, and then we just want to have a walk in the old city. It's really very vibrant and vivid city part of Hyderabad. We visited a lot of shops, and now here we are Maqdoom's brother's shop. This is also very nice because we heard that Hyderabad Sherwaris are very famous. And I had also official meetings. I had an audience with Honorable Governor, and I met also some ministers. We thought to explore possibilities to deepen our bilateral relations, and we are going to meet also with Chief Minister. So this is really very fruitful and productive visit. Thank you very much.